Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well at home. And I, Vishali, welcomes you all in Gokuldas Public School's structured syllabus-based online classes. Now it's time for maths lecture. So let's begin. You have done chapter number 1 with Vidura ma'am. You have done chapter number 1, which is numbers up to 9999. You have done this chapter with Vidura ma'am. I'm Vaishali Pal, your new maths teacher, and we will start from chapter number 2. So all of you open your books. Page number 20, chapter number 2, addition. Page number 20, chapter number 2, addition. So what is addition? You have learned basics of addition in class 2nd. All of you have learned basics of addition in class 2nd. So today we will revise whatever you have learned in class 2nd. So what is addition? When things are put together, we do addition. When things are put together, we do addition. And here, what do I mean by putting things together? What is the meaning of put things together? Suppose you are having 2 mangoes. Suppose you are having 2 mangoes. Now, I give you 3 more mangoes. These 2 mangoes you were having, I give you 3 more mangoes. Now, I am asking you, how many mangoes do you have in all together? How many total numbers of mangoes are you having? So, for counting them, how many number of mangoes do you have? How many mangoes do you have? You have to put these 2 mangoes and these 3 mangoes which I have given to you. You have to put them together for counting them. Okay, now the sign used for addition is plus. As we are having greater than sign for showing a number greater, we have smaller than sign for showing a number smaller, we have equals to sign for showing numbers equal. Likewise, we are also having a sign for showing addition. What we call it? We call it plus. And how it looks like? Plus looks like this. Okay. So when we put things together, we do addition. And the sign used for addition is plus. Now, which terms we use while we do addition? Suppose this sum we are solving, okay? 25 plus 12 and the answer is 37. We'll see later how the answer comes. Now we are just seeing the terms, whatever terms are in addition. So the first number which is given, the first number is, we call it first added. The second one we call it second added. And if third number was also given, then what we call it? Third added. First added, second added, third added. And if fourth number is also given, what we'll call it? Fourth added. And the answer, whatever we got after adding these 2, 3, 4 or 5 numbers, whatever answer we will get, what we'll call it? We will call it sum or total. What we will call it? Sum or total. Now note it down all these 3 points. Okay. Now how we will identify that we have to do addition in when we will solve question? How we will identify? Think about it. How we will identify whether we have to do addition or not? When the question will be in form of numerals. When the question will be in the form of numerals, we can simply identify this plus sign. It is very simple to identify numeral question question? When the question will be in form of numeral like this or like this, we can simply identify by seeing this plus sign that we have to do addition here. But what about word problems? What about word problems? How we'll identify that whether we have to do addition or not? How we will identify? So there are some commonly used words. Most of the question will have, most of the word problems will be having this words like in all, altogether, sum and total. Whenever we will see these four terms in all, altogether, sum and total, whenever we will see any of this term in any word problem, we will get to know that we have to do addition here. So for our we can write this also, so that later we can revise it by just seeing it. In all, altogether, sum and total. What this all four terms are implying? This all four terms are showing addition. Whenever we'll see any of the terms in any word problem, what we'll understand? We'll understand that we have to do addition here. Okay, so these were some basic of addition and all these things you have learned in class 2nd. Okay, now there are some addition facts. If 0 is added to any number, the answer will be number itself. Suppose 4 plus 0, the answer will be 4. How it is coming? Suppose you are having 4 mangoes and I gave you 0 mangoes. It means I have given no mango to you. So now you are having 4 mangoes. Earlier you were having 4 mangoes and I have given you 0 mangoes. I didn't give you mango. So you are having 4 mangoes. 3 plus 0 is equals to 3. Suppose you are having 3 tomatoes. Okay, and I haven't give you any tomato. It means you are having 3 tomatoes and I am not giving you any tomato. It means you are having only 3 tomatoes. So adding 0, it means adding nothing. We are not going to add anything. So whenever we will add 0 in any number, we will get the number itself. Now whenever we add 1 in any number, like 40, if I add 1 in this, what I will get? I will get 15. So 15 is successor of 14. So whenever we add 1 to any number, we get its successor. Okay. Now the order fact. Order property. The order property of addition is that if I add 2 in 3, what I will get? 5. And what if I get 3? I get 2 into 3, I will get 5. So whether I write 2 here or here, or whether I write 3 here or here, the answer will be same. This all the properties you have learned in class 2nd, order property and zero property, and the successor property you have learned in chapter number 2. Now let's see how to do addition. Suppose this number is given. We know this place is ones. What we call this place is ones, and this place tens. What we call this place ones, and what we call this place is tens. And what comes after that is hundreds and thousands. So now we have to add 12 and 14. So how we will add? We will add ones in ones and tens in tens. We will add ones in ones and tens in tens. So what is written here? 2. So we will draw 2 sticks. What is written here is 2. So we will draw 2 sticks. Now we have to add. So we will put this plus sign. Now what is written here? 4. So we will draw 4 sticks. Now we'll count how many sticks are in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we will write 6 here. Now we have added ones and ones. Now we'll add tens in tens. So what is written here? 1. So we will draw 1 stick. Plus sign because we are adding. Then again tens place is having 1. So we will draw 1 stick. Now let's count how many sticks? 1 and 2. So 12 plus 14 is equals to 26. Let's take another example. Ones, tens, hundreds. You know all these places, ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So the number is 127. The next number is 212. Now let's add it. We will add ones in ones, we will add tens in tens, and we will add hundreds in hundreds. So we will start from ones. We always start from ones, the rightmost position, which is ones. We always start from rightmost position, which is ones. So what is written here? 7. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 7 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then what we are doing here? We are doing addition. So we will put plus sign. Now the next number, what is written below this ones position is 2. So how many sticks we will draw? 2. Now we'll count them. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 sticks we are having, so we will write 9. We added ones, so we will write 9 below ones. Now we will add tens, then we will write 10. The answer whatever we will get, we will write below tens position. So what is written here is 2. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 2 sticks. And what we are doing? We are doing addition. So we will put plus sign. Now what is written here is 1. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 1 stick. Now let's count how many sticks we are having. 1, 2 and 3. How many sticks? 3. So we will write number 3. Now the last, we have added ones in ones, we have added tens in tens. Now we will add hundreds in hundreds. So what is written here? 1. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 1 stick. Now what we will do? We will do addition. So with sign we will put here is plus. Now the next number is 2. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 2 sticks. Okay. So let's count. How many sticks in all? 1, 2, 3. How many sticks? 3. So we will write 3. Okay. Now let's take one more example. Okay. So 59 and 15 is given. So we will not start writing from this place. we always start writing from the rightmost position, which is ones. So 59 and 15. Now we will add them. So we will add ones in ones first. So let's start to draw sticks. What is written here? 9. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 9 sticks. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now what we are doing here is we are doing addition. So which sign we will put? We'll put plus sign. Now the next number is 5. So how many sticks we will draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's count how many sticks we are having in all together. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What comes after 9 is? Very good. 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. The answer we got is 14. But what we are writing? We are writing one digit only, but we got 2 digit in answer. So should I write like this? No, this will be wrong because we are writing one digit below every place. So we cannot write 2 digits here. So 14. How many digits 14 is having? 2. So we will start writing ones and tens because we have started from ones. So we will write 4 here and the one is of tens position. So we will write 1 here in the form of carry. Or another way for our understanding is we can learn like this also. We got 2 digit answer, but we can write only 1 digit here. So we will write 1 digit here and the next digit here. Simply we can understand like this, but the concept we should be known. 14 is having 2 digits, 1 10 and 4 ones. 1 10 is it means 10 and 4 ones it means 4. So 14 is having 4 ones and 1 10. 14 is having 4 ones and 1 10. That is why we are writing 4 in the column of ones and 1 in the column of tens. 14 is having 4 ones. That is why we are writing 4 below ones column and 14 is having 1 10. That is why we are writing this one below 10. Okay. Or for simply we can also remember like that. We will only write 1 digit here and the next digit we will write here. So now we have added ones in ones. Now we will add tens in tens. So will we include this? Yes, we will include this one also. And what we call this is carry. What we call this is? We call it carry. Now we will start from this. What is this? 1. So how many sticks we will draw is? 1 plus 5. Then how many sticks we will draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again plus sign because we are adding. Again what we are adding? 1. So how many sticks we will draw is? 1. Now let's count how many sticks in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we will write 7 here. So when we add 59 and 15, the answer will be 74. Now let's see one more example. Let's add 85 and 29. So again we will add ones in ones, then we will add tens in tens, and if hundreds are also given, we will add hundreds in hundreds. Okay, so where we will start from ones. First 5 is written, so we will draw 5 sticks, then we will put plus sign because we are doing addition. The next 9 is written, so we will draw 9 sticks. Now we will add them. How many sticks are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Again we got 14. So we will write 4 below ones and we will write this one as carry in the column of tens. So now we will add tens. We will start from the carry. 1 is written, we will draw 1 stick. Then 8 is written, we will draw 8 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now the next number is 2. So we will draw 2 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Again we got 2-digit number, but we are writing only one digit. So 1 we will write here and the next one we will write here in the form of carry. The same concept we will use which we have done for ones will applicable on tens column also, hundreds column also and so on. So no number is written below 1 here and here also. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Whenever we add 0 in any number, the answer is number itself. So when we will add 0 into this one, we will get 1. Okay, so whenever we will add 85 and 29, the answer will be 114. Now we have learned how to do addition. So let's do question based on addition. Open your book, page number 20. Some revision questions are given there. Page number 20, some revision questions are there. We will do 2-3 only, then all of you can do by your own as we have learned how to do addition. Okay, so the first question is given 6 plus 3. What we will do? We will draw 6 sticks and we will put plus sign, then we will draw 3 sticks. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So our answer is 9. Now 21 plus 65. Okay, so what is written? 1 is written here. We will draw 1 stick. Then what is written? 5 is written. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sticks. So let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we will write 6 here. Now we are moving towards tens column. So let's count it. There 2 is written here. So we will draw 2 sticks. Now we are adding, so we will put plus sign. Now the next number is 6. So we will draw 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Our answer is 8. So we will write number 8 here. Rest of the questions you can do by your own of page number 20. Rest of the sum you can do by your own. As we have learned addition, so you can do rest of the questions by your own. Now we are moving towards exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. All of you open your book. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Question number 1. I am not going to write all the questions, but you have to write all the questions. I am not going to write question, but you have to write question in your copy. The question number 1 is add the following 2 digits. Now you know how to add 2 digits. So let's see. Question number 1, part A. Tens and ones position are written, places are written. The first number is 24, second number is 53 and third number is 12. So you know how to do addition. How many sticks are there? We will add ones in ones and tens in tens. Okay, so 4 is written, so we will draw 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are adding, so we will put plus sign. Then the next number is 3. So how many sticks we will draw? 3. And again third number is also given, so we will put plus sign again because we are doing addition. So what is written here is 2. So how many sticks we will draw? 2. Now let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. The answer is 9. We are having 9 sticks. So we will write number 9. Now tens turn. What is the first number here? 2. So we will draw 2 sticks. Now we will put plus sign because we are doing addition. Then the next number is 5. So how many sticks we will draw? 5. So let's draw 5 sticks. And the next number is 1. So we will draw 1 stick. Let's count how many sticks in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we will write number 8 here. So this is how we can solve all the questions or all the part of question number 1. Now I am going to solve part D. Tens, ones, and the numbers are 25, 16 and 38. How we will add them? We will add ones and ones and we will add tens and tens. So first of all we will add ones and ones. So the very first number written below ones is 5. So we will draw 5 sticks. Then the next number is 6. So we will draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sticks. The next number is 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will draw 8 sticks. Now we will add them. We are going to count them. How many numbers of sticks are there? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Our answer is in the form of 2 digits. So what we will do? We will write 1 digit here and the next digit in the form of carry here, because in the number 19 9 ones are there and 1 10 is there. 9 ones and 1 tens. 9 ones and 1 10. So now we will add tens and tens. So let's see how many digits are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will add 4 digits. So we will start from the very first digit, which is carry. So what is the carry? 1. So the very first number is 1. So we will draw 1 stick, then we will put plus sign and the second number is 2. So we will draw 2 sticks. 1, 2. The next number is 1. So how many sticks we will draw? We will draw 1 stick, and the last number is 3. So we will draw 1, 2 and 3 sticks. So let's count how many sticks are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So our answer is 79. Whenever we will add 25, 16 and 38, our answer will be 79. Rest of the question we will do in the next lecture. Till then, practice hard, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.